Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the stacked granny stripe stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. You should also be familiar with the regular granny stripe stitch. If you know that one, it's going to be really easy to pick up this one. I have a video on that and I will also have it listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. I made my first row of my swatch like a regular granny stripe. I then began working the stacked granny on the next row, and then for the future rows that I had made, I'm going to show you how to make that stacked row right here on the row that I'm currently working. So you're going to make 3 chains like I have on my hook. You're then going to skip over this open space right here. You're going to skip over this first stitch and you're going to work 3 double crochet into this middle stitch or the second stitch of this little granny block right here. So I'm going to work 1 double crochet, 2 in that same stitch, and 3. You're then going to do that same thing again. You're going to skip over this open space. You're going to skip over this first double crochet in the next granny block. You're only going to work into this middle one on each of these granny blocks for the future. So you're going to work in the middle one. You're going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. So I'm going to skip over to that middle double crochet right here, and I'm going to begin working 3 double crochet into that stitch. Same thing, skip over the space, skip over this first double crochet, work into the second double crochet, work 3 double crochet into that stitch. Same thing, skip this open space, skip 1 double crochet, work 3 double crochet into that next double crochet stitch, or the middle one in that previous little granny block. Normally when you work the granny stripe stitch, these blocks are actually worked in between each other, but on this one you can see how they're right on top of each other so they line up. Again, skip this open space, you're going to work 3 double crochet into the middle double crochet of this previous block. So you're going to work 3, 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, skip this open space, skip 1 double crochet. You're going to work 3 double crochet into the second double crochet right here, or the middle one in this granny block. So you're going to work 3 double crochet right here. Then at the end of your row in this open space, you're going to work 1 double crochet, and that's going to match your chain 3 at the beginning of your row to make it even on both sides. So then for any future rows, you would then repeat this row that I had made, and that is going to be how to make the stacked granny stripe stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.